Clock.
Hey guys, welcome back to Joshua VR's cooking show. Today we're gonna be cooking various items and heaps,
Wait.
and I got my best friend here. Are you ready to cook some delicious meals for the audience?
I'm drunk.
For that on live TV. Anyway, so we're gonna show you the first recipe. You can make pie. First of all, throw this in, then throw this. Then make sure to add this.
Make some pie.
And mix it.
Where
and
even
mix
is
it,
the
mix it, mix it,
camera?
mix it. And you cook it and you open it and boom, there's a fresh pizza
Where'd the
pie.
camera go?
Dead. Anyway, he's gonna make spaghetti. So first you're gonna take
Make
this,
spaghetti.
take that, and we're gonna
Tomato.
stop this. Throw that in. And then add a tomato in there and cook, 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 cook. Then, once you're done cooking, it should become out as a spaghetti.
SpaghettiOs.
And boom, the fresh spaghettios. And send it to our judges. All right, judge, are you ready? He likes it. Anyway, the next thing is French toast. First, we're gonna cook that
Make some
until we
syrup.
get bread. He's gonna open it, get the bread. Then I'm gonna throw this in here to cook. Then don't turn that off. Now place it in. Okay. Open this. And you gotta do a Kobe.
Where
What the
did it go?
It went to the back rooms. Then just make sure to throw egg. And don't cook it yet, bro. And yeah. By the way, that's my friend, aka my assistant. Say hello, bro.
Hello.
I'm drinking potions.
They're beer.
What is wrong with you?
It's not potions, it's beer.
I need to call an ambulance up for this. And boom! You got French toast! And my friend Betty will be testing it out. Alright, Betty, buddy? Go eat it, good boy. Aw, he likes it! And, next thing we're gonna make is pizza!
Pizza?
Alright, so here we go. So we're gonna put some flour in
All
there.
I know is how to make those things.
Wait until the flour is almost cooked. And you should get pizza dough. Did we just eat it?
Yes, you ate it.
We both ate it. We like took a bite out of it. Okay, no. Sorry for the inconvenience. Anyway, you're gonna cook this.
I like inconvenience.
You're gonna place it in there. With that. And boom.
Is this seriously?
You're gonna cook it.
Yay, pizza. I don't think that's pizza. Food poisoning. Wasn't me.
What the? Sorry. Anyway, you need to, okay, hold on. Let me try that again.
You got
Wait, was that?
I have no idea how to make this actually.
Then what was that?
I don't know. Know how to make dough, that's all.
Hold on. Oh, anyway, I'm sorry about the inconvenience. Let's just make cake instead.
Yeah, cake. I know how to make cake.
Okay, so my assistant here will be showing you. I'll be holding the camera.
You gotta press the button. Press the button.
And he's gonna cook. Let's show him how it's
Let
done.
him cook now. Let him cook. Let him cook. Alright.
Then you're gonna get the dough. That in there.
cake.
And the cake. Now, you gotta taste this, bro. Guys, thank you all. Okay, bye, guys. Yeah, this has been a cool video. Peace out, guys. Bye.
I'm drunk.
Hey, guys, Joshua VR here. I just want to tell you, I went to Disneyland on Sunday, so here's some clips of the show I saw. Bye-bye.
You may think you're so powerful. Well, this is